See?
Good stopping.
Now, can you put a ponytail up for me?
When we get back.
Okay.
Let's go once around the loop, okay? And then we'll do a ponytail.
Okay.
Okay?
But I just do that with my hand, too. This is fun, Daddy.
Just keep it going. Keep it going. Keep it going.
This is awesome. God, this is awesome. God, this is awesome. I love doing this. This is very awesome. You like to do it all by myself. Then, even when we don't for a walk, I want to try that on the bump.